Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about Elementor template kits, and an Elementor template kit is the thing that's going to help you have a beautiful website that's done for you pretty much out of the box. And this is not going to work for every business, but it will work for businesses that are in a commonly done industry. You know, like there's lots of plumbers, there's lots of HVAC companies, there's lots of law firms, etc. So the more common your type of business, you know, for 99% of us, they're going to have a plumbing or an Elementor template kit available. And if you are making a website that doesn't have a good template kit available, you can still use Elementor to build a website. You just won't have access to the pre-built designs. You'll have to rely on your own design skills to make something that works for you. So I want to show you, so if you don't like this plumbing site, then you can use this one or whichever one you want. So basically you just have to type in Elementor template kit and then your type of business, and then you'll find plenty of available options. So here's just two plumbing options that I've found very quickly. And so I want to show you another benefit is you can quickly and easily change the color scheme. So let's say you don't like the colors of the theme, but you like the layout and everything else. Well, Elementor has system colors or global colors that allow you to quickly and easily change the color scheme for the entire site. So for example, we have this primary color here. So if you take a look at the system colors, we can quickly and easily change the color. So let's say she wants to have a more purplish, pinkish theme. Well, we can do that, and you can see that it's changing in multiple places. So that is pretty cool. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is go to a web browser and type in Elementor template kit and the name of your business. And in our case, we're going to be redoing taxconsult.site, and we're going to be using a law firm template to make a tax professional's website for her. They're two close enough industries where it made sense that we could easily switch over from a law firm template to a tax professional site. So I'm going to type in law, and basically we have a bunch of different options. So you just have to find one that you like. I'm going to click on this one. ThemeForest and Envato are the two popular sites to find Elementor template kits. You just have to make sure it has Elementor and template kit somewhere in the description or tags or something like that. And then you can click live preview to see what the site actually looks like. And depending on the site, it's going to be in a slightly different spot, but here's one, and you can click and see all of the different pages that are available. So, and you don't have to use all of them. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the one that I found, and we're gonna download that one. Okay, so the one that I found is Law 1, and I found this on Envato Market or ThemeForest.net, and I'm in my profile. I've already purchased it, so now we can just click download, and I'm gonna say all files and documentation, and it'll download us a zip file. So now we can go to our site and we can upload this to our website. And I actually made a mistake off screen, and I'm going to show you what the mistake is. So for some reason, I was under the impression that you have to extract the contents from the zip file that you're given. So I was given this zip file here, and I extracted it into this folder here, which is all the individual files within the zip file. And so if you go inside here, there's some templates. There's like a manifest.json. So there's a template and a bunch of JSON files. And so these make up the individual parts of the template kit. And so what you do not want to do is you don't need to extract this. So what I did was I went into the admin area, and I went to templates, and saved templates, and import templates. And so if you choose the file, choose an individual JSON file, you're not going to get the entire settings that the template kit is built on. So this can actually potentially break the theme. What this templates, save templates, import template for is for individual things. So like, let's say a developer or your friend gives you a JSON file of their header. Well, you can, like just that header, you can import that header all by itself. And so that's how you would import their header template that a developer made you or something like that. But if you want to import an entire template kit, you do it slightly differently. So I'm going to show you that just in right now. And when you do this upload or import, you might get 1 or 2 pop-up warnings or error. Well, they're not going to be errors. They're most likely going to be warnings. You want to make sure you hit yes, continue, accept, enabled, or whatever positive affirmation you can give it. Because otherwise, you may not get all of the files or assets that you need, and the import may not work properly. So make sure you hit yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Elementor, and then here under tools, we're going to click tools, and then there's this import/export kit. And so we want to import an entire template kit. And that means we also didn't need to, okay, yeah, go ahead and back up your site, but our site's empty. So we also didn't need to extract all the content from our zip file. So we wasted a little bit of time, but oh well, it's learning, right? So we'll go to our downloads folder, and then we're going to find the template kit that is the entire zip file. And if you look at the contents of the zip file, I think there's like instructions here in this manifest.json file that actually tells Elementor how to set everything up. So anyway, let's just try to upload this entire zip file. So if it has a .zip at the end and it's the whole template kit, that's what we want. So I'm going to select file, go to downloads, and then upload the entire zip file. So JSON or zip files may be unsafe. That's okay. We need it. Okay, select which parts you want to apply, template and site settings. Yes, we want all of that. So I'm going to hit import. Okay, your kit is now live, so I think that is a good sign. Let's just close this out, and we're back in our WP admin area. So now if we go click templates, we have a bunch of different templates available to us. Footer, header, team detail, pop-up, etc. And then we also get this Law 1 lawyers and law firm template kit, and then we have our default kit. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be correct. So now we can go to pages, and let's create a new page. And then this down here is the Gutenberg editor. So these are blocks that are going to be ignored when we are editing with Elementor. You can still edit the title. So I'm going to edit the title. I'm going to call it home. And then we're going to click edit with Elementor. Okay, so now we are in our Elementor page builder for, I think, the first time, and we're going to show you some of this other stuff later, but for now, we're just going to import an existing kit. So I'm going to import an existing template. So I'm going to click this little folder button, and then it'll say My Templates on the top, or it should. And then now we just pick and choose the template that we want to upload. And so let's start with the home page. I'll hit insert. Okay, and so it's here and it looks like it works. So, and all the colors are correct. So if you did it the other way that I did it at the first time, your colors are going to be all messed up. So hopefully it works for you. And now we can just hit publish. And okay, don't worry about the header. We'll fix that in a moment or in the next section or video. But let's hit publish. And then there's going to be a little pop-up here, and we can hit have a look to view it live, or we can hit this preview change at any time because this will eventually disappear. So let's hit preview. And here we go. Ignoring the header, we can see that our content looks great right out of the box. So now all we have to do is swap out the pictures and the text, and we'll have a great looking website. And so It's also mobile friendly right out of the gate, so that's pretty cool. I think they messed up this line here, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos, and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.